This scissor lifting platform integrates lifting, traveling, and telescopic functions. It adopts a ground rail traveling structure with stable operation and accurate positioning, and supports wireless remote control for easy operation. Motor-driven with sufficient power. The equipment is equipped with an automatic braking system to prevent sliding when stopped. It supports inching fine-tuning and automatic preset height modes. Fitted with upper and lower limit switches, it ensures safe and stable operation with full process protection. The platform features double-side telescopic decks with a 1-meter single side stroke. Driven by electric push rods, it can be locked at any position. Equipped with high-rigidity linear guide rails, it delivers excellent compression and bending resistance as well as stable load-bearing capacity. For diverse working scenarios, it is fully enclosed with 1.1-meter locked guardrails that are seamlessly connected all around. Integrated continuous lifting points on guardrails ensure convenient movement and comprehensive safety protection for aerial work. Built with phase loss protection and 3 intelligent interlocking safeguards, the equipment prohibits misseparation by locking traveling and lifting functions correspondingly. Sound and light alarms work throughout operation. The matched assembled low foot ladder further improves operational safety and efficiency. Welcome to Inquire for professional services.